welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a video using my Focallure Turkey palette. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So to start, we're just going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and just placing that all over my face. Next, I'm jumping into my L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation in the colour Rose Vanilla 110. Just ensure that you're fully blending it in so you're not missing any patches, and if you want more coverage, just add small thin layers on top until you get the desired coverage. So now it's time for concealer, so I'm just going in with my Shape Tape in the colour 12B Fair Beige and just placing it under my eyes to hide all my dark circles and just bringing it up into the corners of my eyes and nose just to hide the veins and darkness that I've got there. So now we're going to set that all in place with the Nikia Joy Velvet Finishing Powder. Everyone knows this is my favourite, so I put quite a bit on the concealer and then I just do a very light dusting on the rest of my face, just so that the whole face is set because I do have hot flushes. I do also use a wet beauty blender rather than a brush, just because I find that pressing the powder into your skin actually helps it look a lot better and help your makeup last a lot longer. So now we're going to add some colour back into the skin with bronzer. This has become one of my staples. I absolutely love this bronzer. You can't go wrong with it. So I'm just putting it on my cheeks and on my forehead and then a little bit on my chin and on my nose, just to make it look like as though I've been in the sun and I'm a little bit bronzed. Next, we're adding blush in. So today I'm using the Flower Pots powder in Warm Hibiscus. Again, this is one of my staples. Absolutely love this colour. Has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I just place it on my cheeks and my nose. And for the star of the show, we're going into the Focallure Turkey palette and we're starting off with the colour Hazelnuts. So I'm just going to be placing this in my crease, and I do have hooded eyes, so I bring it up higher so that it's not hidden when I do have my eyes open. And I'm just blending that in nicely so that it doesn't have any rough edges. It looks nice and smooth. I am also using this for the outer corner just to give it that smoky look as well. Now we're going in with Abstar Island and we're just placing that all over Hazelnuts. So it just gives the look a nice shimmer look to it. If you're not a shimmer person, then you can skip this step. So next we're going in with Topkapi. I'm not sure how to pronounce that one, so sorry if it's wrong. And we're just going to place that on the inner half of our lids. It is a nice shimmer, glittery shade and absolutely stunning. So here I just felt that it didn't give the pop of colour that I wanted, and it started blending into the other colours I had on the rest of my lids. So I used my MAC Prep and Prime Fix It spray and wet my brush and just reapplied it again, just to give me that foiled look so it would pop more. And using the same brush with what was left on it, I'm just going and using that for my lower lash line, and then I just took a very small amount and did the other lower lash line. Now taking a very small brush, I'm just going into Cotton Palace and I'm using that as my inner corner highlight. Now time for brows. I'm just going into my e.l.f. brow pencil in Taupe and just filling them in. I don't overdo it, I do like the more natural look, so just very lightly going in. Setting them in place with the e.l.f. brow gel. And jumping back into Cotton Palace, and I'm just using that for my brow bones. Now for the rest of my face highlight, I'm using my Flower Beauty palette and I'm just using the bronze shade in it. You can miss this step if you don't want an eyeliner, but I felt this look would look better with an eyeliner. So I went in with my James Charles Cross Morphe palette and just used the black shade from it and a very thin brush and just created an eyeshadow liner. To open my eyes back up, I just went in with my Sephora eyeliner pencil in the colour white and just placed that on my waterline. And to set it all in place, I'm just going in with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix It spray. Once the setting spray has dried down, I just went in with my eye curler and then I just jumped into my L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise primer. And just did a decent coat on my lashes just to make them look longer and fuller. And to finish them up, I just went in with my Laura Geller Drama Lash Mascara and again just did a decent coating over my lashes. And for lips, I went in with the Nude by Nature lip pencil in the colour Nude, the Flower Beauty lipstick in Peachy Nude, and then I just used the pinky shade from the Pat McGrath Lip Gloss Trio set. So I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tutorial. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!